Today topic is comparing quantities. First we have to see introduction. In our daily life there are many occasions when we compare two quantities. Suppose we are comparing heights of something. You have to take the two person Hina and Amir. We find that Hina is 2 times taller than Amir, or otherwise Amir height is 1/2, that means half of Hina height, right? See here, what is that the comparison? See, you have to take the two person Hina and Amir. Okay, so in that one we have to see Hina is 2 times, okay, 2 times taller than Amir, or otherwise we can say the another one is Amir height is 1/2 of Hina height. Everybody clear? Okay. Then now you have to consider the another example where 20 marbles are divided between Rita and Amit. Okay, such that Rita has 12 marbles and Amit has 8 marbles. So what is that? You have to take the 20 marbles. In this one, we have to consider the two persons, Rita and Amit. Okay, such that Rita has 12 marbles and then Amit has 8 marbles. Okay, we say Rita has 3/2 times the marbles, okay, that Amit has, right? See, what is that? We have to say that Rita has 3/2 times that the marbles that Amit has, okay, or otherwise we have to see Amit has 2/3 part of what Rita has, right? Do you able to understand? What is that? You have to consider the 12 marbles and then Rita take 12 marbles and then Amit consider that means 8 marbles means. See here, Rita has 12 marbles and then Amit has 8 marbles. We say Rita has 3/2 times, that is a fraction, right? 3/2 times the marbles that Amit has, or otherwise we have to say that Amit has 2/3 part of what Rita has. Okay, see, yet another example is where we compare speeds of a cheetah and a man. Okay, the speed of a cheetah is 6 times the speed of man. Now listen, the speed of a cheetah is 6 times the speed of man, or otherwise the speed of the man is 1/6 of the speed of the cheetah. Everybody clear the speed example? See, what is that? That means speed of cheetah 120 km per hour. Let us consider speed of cheetah 120 km per hour. So speed of man 20 km per hour. Clear everybody? See, what is that? You have to consider speed of cheetah. See, speed of cheetah 120 kilometer per hour. So we have to say that the speed of man, what is that? 20 kilometer per hour. Clear? So we can say that the speed of cheetah is 6 times. See here, 120. Okay, 6 times the speed of man. The speed of man is 1/6 of the speed of the cheetah. Everybody clear? Okay. Right. Now, do you remember comparisons like this? In class 6th standard, we have learned to make comparisons by saying how many times one quantity is of the other. Here we say that it can also be inverted and written as what part one quantity is of the other. Clear? So in the given cases we write the ratio of the height as, see here, what is that? Already we have to see the Hina and Amir height. Okay. So Hina height, that means we have to see Hina height. Amir height. Clear? So Hina height is to Amir height is, we can say that 150 is to 75. Or otherwise we can say that in that one 75 is the common. See, in this 150 is to 75 can be written as 150/75. So simplifying in that one, what will you get? 2/1. Clear? In this 2/1 we have to write 2:1. Okay. See here, because of the Hina is 2 times taller than Amir. That is the first example. So we have to take Hina height 150, Amir height is 75. So 150 is to 75. That means the 2 times. Okay. See, the Hina is 2 times taller than Amir. So we have to simplifying in that one, we will get 2/1. In this 2/1 we have to write 2:1. Clear? Okay. Can you now write the ratios for the other comparison? Okay. See, these are relative comparisons and could be same for 2 different situations. If Hina height was 150 centimeter and Amir height was 100 centimeter. Okay. Then the ratio of the height would be Hina height is to Amir height is equal to, how can you take? See, Hina 150, Amir 100 means we have to consider Hina height is to Amir height is equal to 150 is to 100. Okay. So in this one, see here, how can you write in that one? We can write 150/100 means simplifying in that one, see, you will get 3/2. So in this 3/2 can be written as the ratio format 3:2. Clear? So you will get Hina height 150, Amir height is 100 means you will get the ratio is 3:2. Okay. See. This is same as the ratio for Rita to Amit. Okay. See, now we have to see that this is the same as the ratio for Rita to Amit share of marbles. Thus we see that the ratio of 2 different comparisons may be the same. Remember that. That means we can say that to compare 2 quantities, the unit must be the same. That clear? See, what is that? To compare 2 quantities, the units must be same. The ratio has no units. Okay. Now see one example for in that one. Okay, everybody clear in this concept? Okay. Now we have to see the example. See the first one. Find the ratio of 3 kilometer to 300 meter. Okay. See what is that? Find the ratio of 3 kilometer to 300 meter. See, first we have to convert both the distance to the same unit, because of in this one is kilometer, this is meter. So first we have to convert both the distance to the same unit. So we have to take in this 3 kilometer. Okay. See here 3 kilometer means you have to write 3 into 1000 meter. Right? Everybody clear? What is the 1 kilometer? 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Okay. So 3 kilometer equal to 3 into 1000 meter. So we have to write that. What is that? 3000 meter. Now see here in this kilometer change to meter. Already meter is there. So now you have to compare. That means now you have to find it out the ratio for in this two. Okay. So thus we required ratio. The required ratio is 3. See here 3 kilometer is to 300 meter, which is equal to, in this 3 kilometer now only have to change to meter, right? So you have to put 3000 meter is to 300 meter. Clear? See here what is the meaning for in that one? 3000 divided by 300. Now cancel in this 20. Now 30 by 3. Okay, what will you get? 10 by 1. So we have to write 10 is to 1. Everybody clear? No need for the units. Okay, so remove the units. See here 3000 is to 30 means you have to write 10 is to 1. Everybody clear? See in this problem find the ratio of 3 kilometer to 300 meter. See, first convert both the distance to the same unit. So we have to take in this 3 kilometer is equal to 3 into 1 kilometer means 1000 meters. So you have to put 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 3 into 1000 means you have to write 3000 meter. Therefore the required ratio is, the given question is 3 kilometer is to 300 meter. See here the ratio has no unit, so no need for that unit. So you have to write 3 kilometer is nothing but 3000 meter. So you have to write 3000 is to 300. Now see that the both are meter. See, simplifying in that one you will get 10 is to 1. Clear? Okay. Now we have to see the equivalent ratio. See here, what is the equivalent ratio? Different ratios can also be compared with each other to know whether they are equivalent or not. To do this, we need to write the ratio in the form of fractions and then compare them by converting them to like fractions. Okay, if these like fractions may equal, we say the given ratio are equivalent. Do you able to understand what is that? See here, different ratio can also be compared with each other to know whether they are equivalent or not. To do this, we need to write the ratio in the form of fractions and then compare them by converting them to like fractions. Everybody know the like fraction, right? So if these like fractions may equal, we say the given ratios are equivalent. What is that? If these like fractions are equal. Okay, if the like fractions are equal, we say the given ratio are equivalent. See one example. See here, or the ratio 1 is to 2 and 2 is to 3. Equivalent. Okay, now listen. To check this, we need to know whether, what is that? See, to check this we need to know whether in this 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 3. Okay, you can check in this one. Okay, so now first you have to take in this 1 by 2. First you have to change into like fraction. So see here 2, this denominator is 2, in this one denominator is 3. So what is the LCM of 2 and 3? What is that? 6. Right. So you need 6 for the denominator, means which value you can take it? Multiply 3 and then divided by 3 you can take it. Now you can simplify 1 into 3, 3, 2 into 3, 6. So you got 3 by 6. Now you have to consider the next one, 2 by 3. You need the denominator value for 6, means what do you do that? You can multiply 2 divided by 2. So you will get 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. Now listen, the denominator values are 6. Okay, so we find that in this one is, see here, 3 by 6, 4 by 6. So the both are equal? No. Now we have to find that 3 by 6 is less than 4 by 6. So which means what is that? What is the 3 by 6? 3 by 6 is nothing but 1 by 2 is less than. What is the 4 by 6? That is nothing but 2 by 3. Okay. So this one is not equal to. So therefore the ratio 1 is to 2 is not equal to the ratio 2 is to 3. Everybody clear? See here, the both are different. First you have to change. That means not equal. Okay. See, okay, leave it. See, how can you equivalent for in that one? See, in this 2 ratio was given. First, what do you have to find out? Find it now. To check this, we need to know whether in this 1 by 2, 2 by 3 both are equal. That is the question. You have to check the both are equal. See, how can you check off in that one? First, you have to change into like fraction. Okay. See here, in this 1 by 2, this is 2 by 3. See the denominator value 2, 3. What is the LCM of 2 and 3? 6. So you can take 1 by 2. In this denominator 2, you have to change into 6 because of the both LCM. That means 2 and 3 both number LCM is 6. So you need the denominator value 6, means what do you do that? You can multiply 3 divided by 3. Okay. So 1 into 3, 3, 2 3s are 6. Okay. 1 by 2 is nothing but 3 by 6. The next value you can take 2 by 3. You need the 6 value, means you can multiply 2 divided by 2. You will get 4 by 6. Okay. So listen, 3 by 6 is less than 4 by 6. That means 3 by 6 is nothing but 1 by 2. 4 by 6 is nothing but 2 by 3. So you will get 1 by 2 is less than 2 by 3. Therefore the ratio 1 is to 2 is not equivalent to the ratio 2 is to 3. Okay, now you have to write in that line. Therefore the ratio one is to 2 is not equivalent to the ratio, what is that? 2 is to 3. Everybody clear? Okay.